Good afternoon. With the move to DORSCON Orange, MOE will implement two more measures for school-going children because we consider them a vulnerable group. First, we will further enhance our social distancing measures across all our schools. We will suspend inter-school activities and external activities until the end of the March holidays, and then we will do a review. This would include the National School Games and learning journeys. The aim is to reduce intermingling among students across schools and to reduce our students' prolonged exposure to crowds to mitigate the risk of transmission. Second, we will be instituting personal and social hygiene protocols in our schools. For example, in our primary schools, our teachers will take our students to the restroom to wash their hands with soap and water before they go for recess, before their snack break, before their lunch break. In secondary schools, the teachers will remind them to do so. In fact, next week, even as we commemorate Total Defense Day, we will be instituting a protocol for our students to clean up the eating surface after they've had their meal in the canteen, in consideration of the person who might be coming after them. This is on top of the current measures that schools have been putting in place. This is the last week, just this week we had announced the visitor management measures, also the social distancing measures through suspension of mass assemblies, staggered recesses, and CCAs being organized in smaller groups. One of our teachers in Victoria Junior College has just been tested positive for the 2019 novel coronavirus. The teacher had not been in school this entire week as she was on medical leave due to a fever. So her last day in school was 31st of January. The college will take additional measures to safeguard the students and the staff. A few colleagues and students that have been in close contact with the teacher will be given 14 days of leave of absence since the last day of contact. The college will be also thoroughly disinfecting the staff room, the pantry, and the teaching rooms that the teacher was in. And CCAs will be suspended for 14 days for the college. And there will be smaller group sizes for teaching. So for instance, in the lecture theatre, they will be seated in alternate seating. We will take similar measures for other schools if it happens to have cases in the other schools moving ahead. In this way, we can continue on with meaningful learning even as we keep our students and our staff safe.